Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, so it doesn't really matter where, just open it. So let me tap on this new note, and as you can see, we've got the keyboard on the screen, so we can take a look at this at the settings icon. If you cannot find it for some reason, just tap on the three dots icon here, and the settings should appear right here. You will be able to tap on it and hold it and drag it to this panel to have much faster access. But let me enter the settings, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the settings of the keyboard. So let's tap on languages, and here we've got only English added. Let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've got the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, and all you have to do right now is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. And let me pick graphical language, let's say, in order to show you the actual difference. And let me pick Arabic. Let's find it, tap on it. Sometimes you will also be able to pick the region, so just do the same, tap on the one you'd like to set. Sometimes also you'll be able to pick the keyboard, so just pick the one you'd like to use and tap on done. And as you can see, the Arabic has been applied, so let's go back and check. And actually, we've got two differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now, we've got the name of the language we're currently using. And next to it, we've got the language key, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now, I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. So let me tap on it again, and again, let's say English, a regular alphabet. So this is it actually. This is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because usually you do not really need 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's tap on, of course, not here. We have to enter the settings again. So let's tap on it, tap on the languages, and pick this option in the right upper corner. This is the edit icon. Right now we can mark the language you would like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all, the spacebar is empty and we cannot see the globe icon. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the keyboard language in your REALME Pad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.